Stop it! No! Check it. 감사합니다. Russia?
How can you sell it in 2001?
Yeah, I think usually in Sijan.
After food, everything is nice. Is 4,000 kilometers. Korea. We have 68,000 kilometer track all over the country.
It's interesting to... Okay, let's go. I'm Angel. Looking for, I know, first railway in Korea.
Hi, Koreansa파리.
Hi, Koreansa파리. 안녕하세요. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Yeah, by the way, first of all, Happy New Year. And today we are in Gyeongchun Lion
Park.
Park.
Yes, now it's park.
Actually, we were curious about the Korean railway, like how they started, and then we find this thing in Google.
Yeah, it's worked until 2010 year.
Like back in when it was a Japanese era. Like this train was the first train, you know, yeah, they made by using Korean capital.
It's comfortable to walk here, so something place. It looks so nice. Oops. Find here something tasty, something street food. Yes. Let's go. Oh, really?
Yeah.
What can you recommend? Have you eaten that?
Chestnut. Old market. It's a very interesting market.
Yeah, but some places.
I want to buy something. It's rice. It's dumplings.
Doenjang.
Oh, this is doenjang. It seems like this is a heaven for vegetarian person. Like everything is vegetarian here. Like anything here. 저는 채식 주의자였어요.
진짜로.
채식 주의자. 야채 만두 있어요? Oh, 국산. This is 국산. Original 국산. They're saying like with the dubu and make a soup. So I'm gonna buy this. 얼마요? 4,000원?
It's not expensive.
하나 이거 4,000원. 감사합니다.
Oh, do you like this one?
This what polythene or this one?
This one.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Did you
I
eat
like
it
this
before?
because this I'm a vegetarian person and this is the only option I have in Korea to eat beans.
Ah.
And this is doenjang, you know.
Yeah, I know.
can make a soup with it. 감사합니다.
감사합니다. Expensive?
Yeah.
Really?
So that is good. It's a handmade and original. She said it's original. So
안녕하세요.
호두, 이거는 땅콩, 들깨,
들깨? 고기?
깨 종류.
깨중.
깨.
감사합니다.
아니에요?
감사합니다. It seems like we had a good deal.
많이 드렸어요.
얼마요?
5,000원만 주세요 그냥.
감사합니다. Oh, thank you. Discount, thank you.
감사합니다.
많이 받으세요.
Happy New Year.
Bye bye. Oh, I'm looking for a scarf.
Yeah, maybe here,
They do have a scarf.
inside. This? Oh, yeah.
How do you like this Korean traditional market?
Oh, it's interesting. Here, a lot of food. Well, what I can buy.
Really?
Yeah, for cooking at home, I think it's
Do you
Cool.
cook in home? You ever cook in home?
yes.
Do you know how to cook?
Sometimes. Usually out,
Out?
but sometimes I can cook at home and.
fresh, everything.
오,
Wait, 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
이거?
배추전?
배추전?
배추전, 김치전, 야채전.
이거 전병 하나만 해야지.
전병 하나 드려요?
I will have this, and this three.
음.
이렇게 따뜻하게.
I don't know, like in Seoul, in Itaewon, like if I order this same kimchi-jang or like yachae-jang, it costs like maybe over 10,000 won. But here is like in 2,000 won. How can you sell it in 2,000 won?
Yeah, I think
Can you
usually in Sijan it's more cheap.
Is it?
Yeah, of
Is it-
course.
Is it a real price?
Yes, it's not a joke.
But in I think where I live is they sell it very in a high price.
네, 여기.
Which is your favorite one? This one or this one?
Kimchi.
Kimchi-jang? But you don't like kimchi. Last time you said
Why? I like kimchi.
you like kimchi.
감사합니다. 와우.
배추전 2,000원?
젓가락 감사합니다. 러시아?
러시아?
인도?
India.
인디아.
Yeah.
코리아.
Himalaya.
코리아.
필요 없고 그냥 주세요. 내가 들어가서 해드릴게요. 짜증도 말고
맛있어.
계산번호가 어디 있어? 여기
This
언니
market
여기
is for me.
아 여기? 네 신나네.
Why are you eating only this? Finish this one first.
But I like this.
Why? Why you cheating?
미안.
My hands are too much cold. Even I can't hold the chopstick. Like,
이체되었습니다. 네.
맛있어. 조금만 매워. 조금만.
what?
네.
What? 조금만 what?
매워.
네.
매워?
메밀전 10,000원치만
Are you kidding? No.
배추전요?
조금.
It's good.
What's your favorite here?
My?
야채?
야채.
김치? 야채?
Together. One more. Take one more over it. 진짜 맛있어요.
감사합니다.
안 배고파요 나.
안 배고파?
지금 안 배고파요.
안녕하세요.
Yeah. See you again.
So it was tasty.
It was really good. Come here. Where you going?
Hmm?
Say them. How was it?
It was so tasty. It was so interesting.
This market actually, we were walking by this way and then we see the market. 1,000 won, me, her, and the cameraman. We ate a lot of food.
We're full
I
now.
don't think in anywhere in Seoul you three people can eat in 10,000 won. It's impossible. But here it is possible.
아, 힘들어. I'm an angel. What do you think about this way? This road?
After food, everything is nice.
Yes.
Especially when you get a good food in a good price, like low price.
Yeah. You can do it, you can do it, you can do it, you can do it. 아, 잘했어. I think it's a bad idea.
Reached.
Yeah,
Reached, yeah.
finally came.
Have a look.
Okay. Oh, the break. Well, there is a lot of history about the Korean railways. We're talking. Do you know about a steam engine?
Yes.
What is that? What is a steam engine? Tell me. Tell me. What is steam engine? It's very basic thing.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Is that ticket? This is my seat, I guess.
Oh, really?
No, actually, this is my seat.
아, 죄송합니다. 여기 앉으세요.
Because this is warm now. You know, this is cold, so actually that is my seat.
Oh, you're not gentleman.
Yeah. How are you?
Ah, I'm Sasha from
I
Russia.
don't know. I don't want to know. Where from?
Russia.
Russia?
아니,
Russia.
관심 없어요. 어디 가요?
I work in the army
Oh, really?
and for Russian army.
You cook in army?
You cook in army?
No, you.
This is 1920. By the way, I took a train from Seoul to Russia.
Lang?
Yeah.
No.
No?
No.
Why? You don't feel anything?
Let's go. 안녕하세요.
Doing very nice work.
You guys are here,
Yeah.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
and then
We study about this railway, like, you know, in 2010 you made this new park for the tourists. It's like in 2010. Do you like it?
I like all people.
Kind, very informative, and he said like he is in charge of this all place
Yeah, he
for
knows.
maintenance.
화란대. Yes, this is like a museum. Let's check it. Oh, it's
The pilot of the train used to wear this kind of dress. What's happening?
nothing.
Hello. My check. Hello, my check. This is Captain Sagar. Hello. 어디 나라 사람이야?
Korea.
So you're from Korea? Do you speak English?
현어 알아요? 현어. 오. 잘했어. 멋있다.
Elementary school? You're in elementary school?
오.
Fourth grade?
Yes. Now
All? Everyone? Okay. This is not opening, but I will give you from you aren't I will just act like I will coming back and I will ask you have something, okay? Okay, guys. It's your. Excuse me, man. Do you sweet. For you. Ma'am? Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
How are you?
Fine.
You're fine?
What
Have this. This is a sweet. Buy in a mart. You know this dish? This is a traditional dish, Korean dish. Today kids they don't know about the taste of this thing. They like chocolates and candies. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Take care.
Have a good day.
Enjoy your trip. Okay.
So cute.
I love kids, you know. Steam engine. Hi.
Doo doo.
So,
Do you know how it's working?
the
Yeah.
the sound, and then this is for the coal. They put the coal. Open this and put inside. Burn, and there's a water tank inside. With the water tank, there's a steam. Yeah, and the steam coming out. Boom. I think 99% train are now electrical. They all are dependent on electricity. I have traveled in a coal train. Do you know how it works? No, no idea.
No idea.
You know, we're standing here. What is this? That train will come.
What?
This is for coal.
Oh.
You put the coal
Oh, I remember.
inside this. Coal inside this,
Oh.
and then it burns.
Mm.
And then the water boil.
Oh.
You understand? Water boil, and the steam comes. You know the steam, right? You know the steam? Do you know the steam? What is that?
Kind of.
맞아, 맞아.
Water vapor. The water vapor, right? The water vapor. The steam comes, and with the steam power, there's a pressure. Pressure the steam, and then the engine. Oh, slowly. You understand now?
Yes.
See, now that's how. See, the steam coming up. See, the coal putting inside, the steam coming up, and water boil, and this is to control the steam,
It's interesting.
right? Have you ever thought of this? Like 100 years ago. You know, 100 years ago, and people used to travel like this.
Did this really work?
Yeah, before it really worked. So whenever you can feel it, the 100-year-old, you know, it was used before. Now we don't know how to use it, but that time people knew. You understand, right?
Yes. Yeah. Very interesting.
Cool. You can have a look. Look, come here, come here, come here, come here. So we put a coal inside. This is all water tank. It's a water inside that time. And then boil it, the water boil. It generates a lot of power. And then it pulls all the train together. Okay guys. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
It might be a Japanese technology, maybe. We talk about the Korean train, and there's a lot of things to talk about, right? And living in a Japanese era, this was the first train made this park, and they started from here. Information like Korea has like a 4,000 kilometer train track. Like
Oh, really?
What about India?
What about India?
My country, it's 68,000.
Oh,
Like we have 68,000 kilometer track all over the country, which
Wow.
is like a fourth biggest train network in the world.
people in India in the train travel on
They jump from
in
different trains. to
yeah
different
yeah. Is it true?
trains. It is possible sometimes. It's possible to switch between trains.
Have you ever
People are
did that?
really- Me?
Yeah.
Come on, why? I only travel like 3 times in my life in train.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Hmm.
It's like a train in India is for like they are very poor,
You're like a DJ. Let's check it.
So they also have a museum here in this train, all the way like 6-7 blocks. But it is not related to the train. It is related to the time.
It's so interesting. Now I can know last time its history. Interesting to see in the time. 한국 역사 지금 알아요.
Time there was no phone, nothing, and people used to wait their lover, their family, their everyone. You know, they used to lovers point that time.
A lot of memories.
Yeah, a lot of memories. Anytime people go and never come back, and people wait here in the station.
Wow. Yeah. On the camera. Do you like it?
Yeah, I really like it. I like the way they explained about the train. Enjoy this day.
Yeah, of course. It was funny.
It's a trip, and you wanna say something to Korean
Korean Safari. Thank you so much.
We'll come again for the next trip, and bye bye. Take care. Happy New Year again.
Happy New Year.
Let's go there, Pop. 안녕.
안녕하세요.
Do you speak English?
Yeah.
Oh. We are filming on YouTube.
Oh, YouTube. Channel name. What's channel name?
Korean Safari.
예?
Korean Safari.
코리안 사파리래. 코리안 사파리.
저는 러시아 사람이에요. 인도 사람이에요.
코리안 존즈? 아니 사파리라고. 왜 이거? 와! 50K.
Yeah.
언제 올라오세요? 저희가 나와요? 나 그냥 피해주세요 제발. 알겠어요. 이거 업로드 언제 됩니까? 잘 찍어주세요.
It's for children. Oh, you...
Use this one.
No! I don't want. No! Stop it, please. Really stop it. No! I'm so scared. I hate you. No! 미쳤어.